Yes, you got it. I say at the very core of trust, it's a full contact sport. 55% actually of what we communicate is dependent on what our bodies are doing. Can you imagine going to work and able to be completely who you are without any kind of fear of retribution? It is the leader who sets the tone. 100% of the time, it's the leader who sets the tone. Because people leave leaders. They don't leave an organization. I actually believe that being inclusive is a human right. I know that is going to sound big and profound. I think if you're human and you've been born, you should be included. All new learning, in my humble estimation, comes when you step outside of that comfort zone and you say, hi, I'm Carolyn. The fish have water and people have culture. It's in and around us. It's up to us to set the tone and go out of our comfort zone, right? Cliques exist in the universe. I try to really avoid that kind of thing, or if I'm in an environment where it exists, I call it out. That also is deeply uncomfortable, but I'm okay with that because my dream is to make this world a kinder place. And I'm not just saying that because it's on a slide. Like, I really believe it. And when I see some kind of injustice where someone else is being treated unkindly in the clique, competitive, all of that, I also feel it's my obligation as a human being to call that out.